Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Just a reminder that we do have a short week in the market today, as it is closed on Friday for Good Friday, so plan accordingly. This morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, what's ahead this week for earnings, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to make sure you've downloaded the TipRanks mobile app by following the link in the description down below, so you can access the wisdom of thousands of Wall Street analysts right on your device. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.36%, while S&P 500 futures are down 0.09% and Nasdaq futures down 0.65%. This comes after OPEC announced unexpected production cuts. Oil prices jumped after OPEC producers announced this surprise output cut of about 1.16 million barrels per day. A U.S. National Security Council spokesperson said, "We don't think cuts are advisable at this moment given market uncertainty, and we've made that clear." A top oil producer in Saudi Arabia called the move a precautionary measure aimed at supporting the stability of the oil market. Several oil companies are on the rise this morning following the news. Tesla announced their latest quarterly deliveries and set a record for the company, but you might see some contradicting headlines on whether they beat or missed estimates. Tesla announced record deliveries of 422,875 vehicles for their first quarter. Now, some are saying that this lagged behind analyst consensus estimates of 432,000, while others are saying it beat estimates of 421,000. This is because different outlets source different sources for their aggregate estimates. What we do know is that those Q1 deliveries did increase 36% year over year. Analysts always divided on the Tesla stock, currently rated as a moderate buy, and within the last day we've seen buys, holds, and sells ranging from a downside of 27% to an upside of 32%. McDonald's is reportedly keeping their corporate offices closed this week so they can prepare to announce layoffs amidst a broader restructuring plan. In a report from the Wall Street Journal, they said that there was an internal email last week to U.S. employees and some international staff where McDonald's asked them to work from home from Monday through Wednesday so they can deliver staffing decisions virtually. The fast food chain had said back in January that it would be reviewing corporate staffing levels as part of an updated business strategy, which could lead to layoffs in some areas and expansion in others. The McDonald's stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 5.8%. Cummins has announced that they'll be investing more than $1 billion in their U.S. engine production facilities. They'll be investing this $1 billion across their engine manufacturing network in Indiana, North Carolina, and New York. The investment will upgrade the facilities to support fuel-agnostic engine platforms that will run on low-carbon fuels, including natural gas, diesel, and eventually hydrogen. Analysts currently rate the Cummins stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 6.8%. And World Wrestling Entertainment is reportedly getting close to sealing the deal to be sold to Endeavor, who is the parent company of Ultimate Fighting Championship, or UFC. The addition of WWE to Endeavor's portfolio would make them a leader in combat entertainment. It is expected that there could be a multi-billion-dollar deal announced as early as today. As per a report from CNBC, the deal could value WWE at about $9.3 billion, which would be quite the premium compared to its current valuation. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 14%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. Overall, the week is fairly quiet as we lead up to the start of earnings season next week, but we do have a couple big names later in the week. On Wednesday, we will hear from Conagra Brands and Simply Good Foods, and Thursday includes Constellation Brands, Lamb Weston, and Levi Strauss. We also have Walmart, who will be kicking off a 2-day investor event starting tomorrow, along with FedEx and Waste Management later this week. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Apellis Pharmaceuticals on reports that they are attracting takeover interest. Trading under the ticker APLS, the stock is up 18.3%. They're followed by Kingsoft Cloud Holdings under KC, up 14%, and Iveric Bio under ISEE, up 13.8%. On the flip side of that, we have another pharma company as our biggest losers, with Ascendis Pharma leading the pack. They're currently down after the FDA identified some deficiencies in their new drug application. Trading under the ticker ASND, their stock is down nearly 35% this morning. They're followed by World Wrestling under WWE, down 10%, and TORM under TRMD, also down just over 10%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, share this video with your other market-minded friends, and say good morning in the comments. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.